name is Cecilia, and this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's LEGO Reviews. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review Spider-Man Mech. It has 152 pieces. It's 6+, and number is 76146. So we chose this because, well, we love the Spider-Man movies, and this seems pretty cool. So this is the box, and we're going to open it up and build it. Remember to give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about this set. Opening time! Yeah, this is harder to open. Tape is so much easier than like this poking thing. Whenever I try to poke it, it just bends. You're gonna have to rip it open. Rip. Okay, so here we have bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 2. Wait, wrong order. And then here we have the instructions. Oh, we also have some stickers. So let's open these bags up. Wait, a piece fell. But that's okay.
Oh! These things.
Yeah.
This not set up in here. I like these. Open number 1. Ask number 1. Here's Spider-Man. Where's the Spider-Man? Hi, Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man, wait.
So this is the finished figure for Spider-Man. So here we have this, and which can open and close. So that's and then the figure, the smaller figure, can come out. And then we have spider webs coming out, and you can take those off. And as you can see, we also have these claws. And the legs and the arms can move, which I think is pretty cool. And it also comes with this so that the smaller figure can hold the spider webs. So now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives about this set. So for the positive, the suit is flexible. The Spider-Man figure comes with it. Anybody who likes Spider-Man or Marvel are going to love this set. And for the negatives, it was a little bit difficult to build. It was really fun to build, but it took us a long time. And it only comes with the suit and the figure, but they're still pretty cool. And it's, if you ask me, it's a little bit small, but that's not everybody's opinion. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us. And watch our video next week.